Hello, this is Goddess7, and today we'll be going over the answers to the challenge from the previous video. So the first thing you do is make this string. So string hello world. And then you just assign it a value. Remember the quotation marks as though are important. So I'm just going to put inside hello world, just like that. And we need to go ahead and print it out. So just do a console.writeLine. And instead of putting something in quotes, we're just going to type in hello world, and then we're also going to do the console.read key. Just like that. Then if we run it, we see hello world right on the screen like that. Now if you don't use quotation marks, the compiler is going to say, hey, you're telling me to output this variable. But the second we do use quotation marks, just like that, it's no longer going to take the value of that variable, and then it's just going to create a new string literal on the spot, just like that. And for the next part of the challenge, which was to print out a negative decimal number, I'm just going to say decimal negative equals negative 5.7 m. So if I just put in negative and do it just like that, oh, it didn't work. Why? Because I don't have a semicolon. Remember your semicolons. Now if I hit start, it's going to display the negative number. Now, the last part of the challenge was to also display that negative number without using quotation marks or a variable. But that's pretty easy, because look, negative 5.7, just like that, and hit run. And then it just prints the number right by itself, just like that. In the next video, we'll take a look at variable operations. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you all later.